How to add trust badges to Shopify product without using apps. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a simple process on how to add trust badges directly to your Shopify product without relying with any apps. So make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to integrate trust badges onto your Shopify product and keeps your site running smoothly. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify product. Then before starting guys, I will show you how easily add the product and integrate trust badges without using any code and any apps. So first go and hit on product, then I will show you how to add a product, for example, just an example guys, but this is the simple process to add trust badges and make your Shopify product more professional with trust badges. Then guys, first guys, I will type the title, for example, the 36 air pressure massager. Then for example, the description, I will give you around the mixed description, for example. Then this is the just example description. Then make it more broad, then in the center. Then guys, after adding the description guys, you need to, under the description, just you need to add trust badges. Then just go and open new browser. Then for example, just in the search bar tap egg png, then hit on egg png and tap trust badges. This is in the search bar tap trust badges, then search. Then guys, go to the first one. This is the trust badges, for example, the payment method and trust badges. Then hit and open this one. Then guys, you need to download this picture. It's very easy to download, just scroll to the bottom and download png for free guys. Then close. Then guys, first verify a human. Then for example 7 first, just select 7, 4 and T. Where is T? This is T. Then guys, automatically your picture was downloaded successfully. Then guys, go back and open your product page, then scroll and you need to download this, you need to add this picture to your Shopify product. Then first guys, go to insert image on the top. Then you need to just select this picture and drag it. Then automatically the picture it will add it to your image section. Then hit on done. Then guys, first select and reduce the size of the picture. It's very easy guys. This is the easy method to add trust budget to make your account, to make your Shopify store running smoothly. Then guys, then again more small. Then guys, then automatically your trust badges it will add it. Then if you want to add more trust badges, for example, just go back and scroll the bottom to the bottom of the product. For example, this one, the bestseller, and also for example 100 guarantees. You can easily, for example, I will add the bestseller, for example. It's very easy, the simple process. And hit on download. Your download will automatically, your picture was downloaded successfully. Then go back and again hit on insert image and select the image and drag it. It's very easy. Wait a few seconds to download this picture, then hit on done. Then again, then guys, hit on enter. Now guys, scroll to media section, then hit on upload picture, for example the picture of the product. Then again, just upload now. Then select the product, or if you have already upload or existing, I have already select add the product, just select the product, for example this one, and hit on done. This is the product. Then guys, the category section, manual message tool, and the pricing section, for example $45 to $59. Then guys, scroll to inventory, the location shop, the continue selling window out of stock. Then hit and select this one. Then this product has the SKU. If you want to add it, just an optional. Then scroll to shipping, then with, for example, grams or kilograms, then 1 kilograms, just an example. If you want to add some variation, the size or colors or anything. Then the last, hit on save. Now guys, I will show you how it's look like with that trust badges on Shopify. Then go and hit on online store at the bottom, then hit online store, then hit on this view your online store. Then guys, hit on catalog. This is the product. Add it successfully on your Shopify product without using any apps and code. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.